So, guess the word.
Guess the number.
Oh, the number. What? The number. So, think of a number. I think of
Kuna range. 0 to
100. 0 to 100.
Okay.
Think of a number, I think of a number. Ready?
So.
What in 3, 2. Think to siseme out loud.
So.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
So, nakuuliza namba yako then.
Yeah, just
Aya. 70.
Higher.
Niuliza yangu.
40.
Haya. 90.
Lower. 60.
Lower. Oh, lower.
So.
85.
Lower. Okay. Lower. 50.
Higher.
So.
82.
Lower. 55.
Lower. Higher.
So.
79.
Lower. 57.
Lower.
Nimeshinda.
Bado. Goja.
Kuna tu digit moja iko in between 55. Okay, but maybe kuna one more chance ya kupata sasa. You only have one chance.
Sharibu but sawa.
Nah, you only have one chance.
76.
Wait, that nimeharibu.
76.
Sasa Jume
Sema haya maloa.
Nah, it's low. It's not 76. My number was 73. Yours is 56. Now, okay, sawa.